Sorry for disturbing. Yes. Good morning. Let's find out how the weather is outside. So I started the day with doing some shot for the movie. I have a lot of toothpaste on my lips, that's nice. I'm gonna pull the tent down soon, but it's no rush. It's snowing a little bit here, but not much, but more in the direction I'm going, to Sveg. So I can probably wait an hour or two maybe. It's a short distance drive today. More scared that the road is very icy with this mushy snow over it, then the studs doesn't do their work real good, but we see that I have to drive safe and easy, and yeah, hopefully I'll make it through. So the bike started without any issue. See if I can get out of here. That is just ice and then this thick layer of snow over. The road between Härjedalen and Sveg. It's really nice actually. Climbing. It's very nice weather. There was a lot of snow in the beginning. It was a bit sketchy. But at the moment it's really nice. It's slippery though. But I'm driving maximum 60 kilometers per hour, so take it slow and easy, no rush today. Quick break. Takes a lot of energy when you are so focused when it's slippery, so I'm gonna eat chocolate and drink water. And I thought this was a fun place because I stopped here last year. So, and it's also possible to park here. That's not very common. Okay, I booked a hotel here in Sveg, or a hostel, or what to call it. And it's such a small town, so I should be able to navigate there. Yes. Can I go in there? Park at that door, but that's for electrical vehicles. Oh, I think I can stay here. There is room for 2 cars there. Great. Can't decide where to sleep. I made it to Sveg. Pretty tired. 4 o'clock. Almost dark outside, so it's gonna be nice to have a longer pause and to take a shower. Choose this bed. I'm very happy with the decision. And the toothpaste is gone from my lips. That's good news. Thinking about taking a shower, but I want to chill 20 minutes first. There might be a risk that I fall asleep here. I feel so tired. A lot of concentration today. Good, it was not many hours. It took like 4 hours. Yeah, driving in the snow. Making a call. That's not funny. Going for a shopping run. Refill with some chocolate. And a beautiful church here. Bananas and chocolate. Carbs is good for you. Oh, why not? The ugly bear, and it's snowing. Happy I'm not on the road now. A little bit messy. Had a really good sleep. Time to drive. It's like much warmer than the forecast said again. It's like 0 degrees. So wet snow again. Should not be a problem to start that one. Finger crossed. Heading to Östersund now. Will take some hours, I guess. And then a heavy snowstorm coming tomorrow. So 1 day rest, I guess, in Östersund. And then we'll see after that what will happen. Brum, brum. Time for a 10-minute break to eat some and to drink some and do toilets. It's not easy to find a place to stop, but I found this, thought it was cozy. But then I saw this. Makes it a little bit uncozy. Well, some predators would like it at least. Maybe some wolves, maybe. Well, quick break. Sorry, friend. Sorry for disturbing. Just made a drone shot on the bridge. It was super slippery. I look like a dildo in this hat, right? Snickers break. So, stayed there last year. Parked at the same place. Tired. Good day. that was really nice to have a good day. And I used the drone, I used the movie camera, and I've done some GoPro, and I used this one. That's a good result. I'll bring one of those with me, I think. I don't think anyone steals it here, but if they take one, at least I have one. I also need to fix this tomorrow. Did it on the other side as well. Get some rope to fix it. Drying process. Oh, pretty messy already. So nice with a resting day tomorrow. Winter Wonderland. And a Christmas tree.